Hi guys, welcome back to the SSBeauty Lipland video. We are from the content team and today we are going to be trying some exciting lip trends from the internet.
I think I already that's too much concealer.
Dude, I look like a clown. Can't find my product. I'm very excited to try the K-beauty trend. If you guys want to try some lip trends that you guys have never got around to trying, then get your lipsticks out because this is the perfect chance for you guys to join in the fun with us. So let's start.
Okay, so let's go through the first video.
Okay,
Here, this is what it looks like. It's basically like the concealer trend on the outside and like the lip ombre thing.
So we have these disposable things.
Wands. I'm kind of scared to ruin my makeup, honestly. She takes Cupid's bow, ऐसे.
Mine's looking the best. And it still looks terrible, so this is not a good thing.
Yeah.
No, use a gloss on top and then we can fix it, right? So what do you guys feel about this challenge?
Honestly, I feel like I like it, but I would not try it again.
Yeah, me neither. It's not that it doesn't look good, it looks good, but it's not matching what that YouTuber just did.
Yeah. So, moving on.
Okay, so guys, the next trend that I want us to try is kind of out of the box. I saw a couple of YouTubers try it and it involves a tissue. That's why you have tissues in front of you all.
Okay, show us.
Okay.
Is it the Aishwarya Rai Bachchan wala hack where she like applies lipstick and on top of that she like dabs a compact or like a loose powder?
Close, but still not close enough.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm excited.
Okay, so here's the trend.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
So a single layer.
Yeah, and I'm gonna cut my tissue in half to make it easier to hold, I think. You need a lot of lipstick.
Yeah, it's going dry.
Okay,
Like, look
so
what I have.
I have to ask you guys, would you try it again and do you like it?
No and no.
I would try it again, and I like the outcome, but like I would try a little harder.
Yeah,
What
it's
about
a no
you?
for me.
Yeah.
So next trend is basically you take a lipstick, you put a line on the center of your lip, then you just do and just hope it works. That's it. That's the trend. See.
It's okay, it'll be fine. I
Yeah.
do it anyways.
Yeah, let's go. This also reminds me of the Alia Bhatt thing where she just like takes the lipstick and she does.
She
But I think
moves
we're
her
playing
lips
it like
on the
yeah.
lipstick.
I think we're playing it a little safe with like nuder shades this time at least.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So it will make us happier.
because yes. Okay, so
Okay.
let's start.
Are you making a thin line or a fat line?
I made this
Fat
line.
line.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so the line is done. Guys, no cheating. हाँ एक ही line निकालनी है.
Okay. I made a little fat line.
Me too.
Okay, here's my line. Fine, I can't see
Dude,
it.
it's,
from far away.
I can't even see your lip shade. You're cheating.
How am I cheating?
Put thoda और. Yeah. Now it's fine.
But how is she cheating if she's not put a lot? Like it'll be cheating if she puts a lot.
Okay, now let's go before it dries.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. I already
I
hate
feel like I'm getting a stroke. Blah, blah, blah.
I feel like a goldfish right now.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Cute.
I think I would try it again and I really like it.
Yes,
Same.
I like it too.
I would use it in real life and I really like it.
Okay. I'm very excited for this one because I've seen a lot of people just like, it's like kind of a fun challenge where people like blindfold each other and then they have like a pot of lipsticks and you kind of make your lip combo work. So
Dude,
we'll pick
it's
one lip
risky.
liner, one lipstick and one lip gloss and then we'll make it work.
oh my god.
Are you excited?
No, I'm nervous.
No, it'll be fun.
Yeah, it's risky. Like imagine you pick
There's
like a...
no other occasion you would do this, you know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
True.
Other than a YouTube video.
True.
You can do it, it's so easy to feel your lip.
Okay.
Do you want to put lip balm on first?
Nah,
Okay.
I'll just swing it.
Wow, that's pretty good.
I know
Yeah.
because
Yeah, it's easy.
Oh. Oh.
your lip liner and stuff is easy. I'm not worried about this trend.
Because you know how to do that blindfold?
No, like I don't use a mirror
This
anyways.
is the gloss, this is the lipstick.
Yeah, that's a lipstick.
Oh my god. Rimsha, you can't scare her like that. It's a good color. It's a good shade.
Yeah, I
Wait,
have.
let me do less. Yeah. I have. Here. It's matching.
You
your
can't smell
nail
the color.
polish.
Just put
Oh
it.
my god, no way.
No,
Don't really?
no, the packaging is matching your nail color.
Oh,
Obviously,
so it's
there's
Estee
no
Lauder,
lipstick.
yeah.
Oh, it's Estee Lauder. Okay. Okay.
And the gloss, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Be careful. Oh, yeah.
Can I take it off of you?
Yeah, look
Yeah.
at your combo.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude, look at it.
Yeah, you did a
Yeah,
very
you did
good
a
job
very
with the
good
lip
job.
liner.
Yeah. Very nice. Rimsha, your turn.
No,
got
I thought it
lips.
was your turn.
What I said first.
Can I take it off?
No, I did it blindfolded.
But I, please.
I don't mind if she takes it off. Take it off.
No, you have to do the whole lip challenge blindfolded.
Okay, cool. Can I start?
Yeah, start. Why did you put a mirror in front of her again? Can I understand? Okay, understood. Understood.
The most messed up part is I don't use lip liners and I'm not like great
Yeah.
at it even with a mirror on. And this is kind of tricky.
Aishwarya was there. She would have.
Yeah, I'm a witness.
Yeah, she's a witness.
Okay, now this.
Some gloss.
This is clear. You know it's gonna be
Yeah.
Fine, either way.
good
Dude, I
job,
actually like
Rimsha.
her combo. I
The
actually
best.
like her combo more
Yeah.
than mine.
Okay, can I take my blindfold out?
Yeah, look at it and react to your lip combo.
Dude, it's actually nice.
Okay, it's not
Let
a
me see
bad
the
lip
other side.
combo.
No, the lip combo was very good. Like you got very lucky with it.
Yeah, like both the shades, we were like,
Can I see? Ooh. I
Dude,
knew I was
it's a
picking
really great
lipstick.
lipstick.
But where's the lip liner? Oh,
Lip
it's
liner
this
you
one.
picked
yeah.
plum.
Oh, it's a great combo.
yeah, it is. Better than mine.
Very
Wait.
lucky.
Okay. I love it.
That's good.
Okay. Okay, I want to see. Resham, you gotta turn around, like turn a little here. How is she so precise with her lip
I
liner?
have no idea.
Strategy.
Here's the tissue for your teeth.
I'm allowed to use my finger, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah.
Give me the mirror.
But your lips look the best. How is it possible?
I knew I would be fine at this. Oh my god. No, I hate it.
Really?
What are you
kidding
saying?
me? Yeah, I hate it. I hate the color.
It looks so gorgeous, dude.
It looks really good.
Yeah, I really like it.
Thanks,
I like
guys.
hers the best than yours, then probably.
I like yours as well. It suits you.
So we really enjoyed trying out these lip trends today. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to try out some of the products that we're using, then go check out the Lipland sale at SSBeauty and Shoppers Stop. And if you enjoyed this video, then
Give it a big like.
Leave a comment down below, but not before subscribing to the SSBeauty YouTube channel and hitting that notification bell icon.
And we'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care.
Bye.